welcome back to Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate that. So this morning, I worked on hanging the fire alarm supports for the purple pod, which is like the north part of the new construction that we're working on. So I went ahead and mounted some 3/4 sleeves right there, EMT sleeves for the wire to pass through. Also mounted these J-hooks. It's going a little bit fast because I didn't slow this one down. So I got J-hooks on these ceiling grid wires, basically 2 along the wall, 1 in the middle of the room. And then I got these bridle rings, if you didn't already see that, on the studs outside and on the strut, with some strut nuts and some bridle rings. Once again, you got your 2 clips there, and then another one in the middle. And over here we got some more bridle rings on the studs, with this time with the beam clamps onto the studs. You can kind of see the hooks up there. And then we got these ones on some all thread right here, and with beam clamps again, using the middle notch because otherwise it won't grab. But I figured that out on the second one, so I fixed the first one, and then raised this beam clamp up from that spot. I think after this video, maybe, I don't remember, but anyways, I got another sleeve through here, got all these adjusted properly, 2 hooks on the wall and then 1 in the center. I'm not sure if this strut's coming down or not, but that can be taken care of easily down the road. From there, went ahead and disconnected this Baloney cord, basically just unscrewed it on the left, unwire nutted these, unplugged this out of the wall obviously so it wasn't hot, and then just disconnected that, pulled that out, and then put the cover back on. They were rehooking this up in the orange pod, which is the south new containment. And then from there, I put my stuff away from the fire alarm install, and then went ahead and cleaned Steven's cart because he was doing some fire alarm inspection or something like that. So I didn't really have anything to do after my fire alarm stuff, so I went to the laydown, cleaned his cart, and put away a bunch of the material that we got from a day or so ago. A whole bunch of couplings, connectors, just tons of different stuff, box support, stuff like that. And that was pretty much my day. And then I also got Steven laid me out for tomorrow, which I have a ton of stuff to do tomorrow, so I have a full day of stuff. So I'll save that for you guys tomorrow, so tune in tomorrow. But that's going to wrap up this day. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. God bless, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.